Hi, it's Jennifer again. In my last video, I talked about playing card games with your kids, and I realized that some of my kids cannot hold the cards in their hands, so I wanted to show you a quick hack for making a card holder. I took the same phone book that I ripped up earlier and cut it, and I was just going to show you how I cut the last part of it, like so, all the way across. Doesn't matter that it's not perfect. And then I took I'm going to take some tape to reinforce the sides. Here. And here. And then the other side. Here. And here. So that the cut part is there. And now I can use this to put my cards in. So if you have a child who is not able to hold the cards in their hand, we can use this. And I could prop this up if I were at a table so that it could stand independently. Hope it works for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Wash your hands. Stay safe. Have fun.